What is up, YouTube? Today we are here with the 458 Italia. It's in a beautiful Rosso Corsa paintwork, and well, today we're going to go over everything I hate about the car. So let's get into it. So the first thing I hate about the Ferrari is, well, the paint. And now you're going to think, obviously, surely he doesn't dislike Rosso Corsa. Well, it's not the paint exactly, it's the primer. So to get this luminosity from the red paint, they use a white primer underneath. And the stone chips, well, the stone chips go white, so you end up having these white flecks all over the body. So this is why you see most Ferraris have some form of paintwork in their lifetime. And well, this has a few of those stone chips, but still looks incredible. The second thing I hate about the Ferrari 458 Italia is actually the wheels. Now, again, I don't hate the wheels, I hate what happens to the wheels. As you can see here, they're diamond cut alloys in the 5-spoke pattern, and they look incredible. But the issue is, as you get stone chips, it peels the lacquer, and well, they start corroding, and they've started corroding everywhere. And I know that's not a Ferrari thing, that is a diamond cut thing, but it's so annoying on a car like this. Hello, you lovely lot. If you're watching this video and you're enjoying it, please like, please subscribe and follow the journey. Now, let's get back to the video. Next up on this list is the width of the bloody thing. Now, don't get me wrong, proportionately, it looks amazing. But about 2 years ago, we tried taking this to the Brecon Beacons, where most of the Top Gear filming used to happen, and well, we wanted to drive those roads. Following that, we went down this incredible dingly dell, which led to a bridge. We got to the bridge, and the car was wider than the bridge itself. So we had to reverse all the way up a mile incline just to get round and turn around. Now, I appreciate it's a wide car, it is a supercar. But if it was that little bit smaller, we wouldn't have had to turn round and we would have been able to drive one of the best driving roads in the UK. So, yeah, the width is somewhat of an issue, but I think I can deal with it. Another is the fact it has no rear view camera, which makes a car like this pretty difficult to park. As well as that, you have no front parking sensors, which looks sleek, it looks beautiful. But when you're sat in the front driver's seat, well, you can't see the front bumper, so you are a little blind. Good thing is, it's a pretty short nose in front of the front wheels, so you should be okay. Next up is in here, so let me show you. And that is the headers of the Ferrari. You'll see here on some close-ups that basically all the paint is starting to peel and crackle away. Now the crackle effect looks great on the headers, but obviously it doesn't last, which is really weird because the Ferrari 360, which normally sits there, is fine. The car's 25 years old and doesn't have this issue, and yet a 2010 does. So I can only think that they must have changed the material or paint they were using, and well, it doesn't stand the test of time. So this video is very much in jest, because realistically, there's nothing I hate about this Ferrari, except this one point. That's the electrical gremlins. Now, for some reason, this car is on trickle charge all times, basically when not driven, and it's been driven a regular amount, so everything is as it should be. It goes for its Ferrari services every single year, and it doesn't miss a beat. Apart from one weird thing that it does. Occasionally when you turn it on, it will say electrical fault, take to dealer. You turn it off, you turn it back on, and it goes away. It doesn't tell you what the fault is. It obviously doesn't affect anything in the car, but occasionally it just feels like throwing a wobbly. And well, it's the only car I have ever been in and driven that just likes to have a moan occasionally. But it is an incredible car, so let's get back to the next one on this list. Fundamentally, the biggest thing I hate about this Ferrari 458 that you're all wanting to know is, well, that it's not mine. I wish that thing was mine. It's one of the best cars I've ever driven. The steering is light but attentive. It's so quick. The sound that it makes is incredible. And well, look at it. It is one of the most beautiful cars ever designed by Pininfarina, a last of its kind, naturally aspirated. And well, yeah, the thing that I hate the most is the fact that I don't own it. So that's the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and follow the journey because there will be so much more to come. And well, I think that's everything. So, bye-bye.